Luxury doesn't begin in a showroom. It begins here, where nature, science, and precision
Yes, I see
meet.
the temperature spiked slightly here.
Every crocodile in this process comes from regulated, modern farms. Raised under strict conditions with traceability, care, and control. No shortcuts, no uncertainty, only responsibility from the very first step. From farm to factory, every movement is calculated. Temperature controlled, stress minimized, because quality begins long before production. Inside the factory, tradition meets technology. Unloading the crocodiles and transported to high-tech labs. Advanced systems transform raw material into refined leather, using precision, chemistry, and decades of expertise.
One, two, three. Down slow, secure the latches.
Every texture, every scale, engineered to perfection. This is where craftsmanship takes control. Skins are washed again and again to maintain quality.
Look, the temperature spiked slightly here. Adjusting the cooling flow now. Good, it's back in the green zone.
Robotic accuracy, human inspection. Each piece measured, shaped, and refined to exact standards. Perfection isn't assumed, it's verified.
It needs reprocessing.
Then it came to cutting and polishing section. Robotic arms cut the leather with precision. After this, they verified each piece. Automatic printers print on the leather. Once approved, every piece is sealed, labeled, and prepared for the world. Every piece is polished with automatic machines. From this factory to the hands of master artisans and luxury brands. Then the sheets are packed and finally checked with lasers. This isn't just leather, it's precision, responsibility, and luxury engineered. Subscribe to this channel for more stories like this.